baby bird just died. I've been feeding him every 2 hours, keeping him warm, keep checking on him. I just fed him about 45 minutes ago, and he's right next to me. Like, he's right next to me, that little box. So, I'm really disappointed. I'm really disappointed. I tried. He was doing so good. He was strong, he was pooping, he was eating. I don't know. You know, I didn't try to breed birds. I didn't ask for this. It just happened, so I figured. So sick of losing stuff. Anyway, my kids are healthy. My grandkids are healthy. I have a roof over my head. I have some food in my fridge. I'm blessed. I'm still thankful. Have some problems with my son going on that I'll discuss later. And so a couple of things getting me down, but we gotta keep our faith and be thankful for what we have. Oh, you coming to see me? She's gonna come see me. Love you all. Thank you for being a part of my life. You all really mean a lot to me.